IT costs are climbing, and businesses struggle to keep up. Global IT spending is projected to hit $5.74 trillion by 2025, yet many companies don't know if they're getting the best value. Without a clear pricing model, you could be paying for services you don't need or missing critical support. Justin Nevins, VP of Engineering, puts it simply, businesses need a predictable cost structure that aligns with their operational needs. A well-structured managed IT plan reduces risk, improves efficiency, and ensures IT spending delivers tangible business value. How do you make sense of managed IT pricing and maximize your budget? Pricing depends on service scope, user count, and security needs. Basic plans cover system monitoring and updates, while comprehensive packages offer advanced security and compliance. Regulated industries like healthcare and finance pay more for security-driven services to avoid fines and incidents. MSPs offer various pricing models, flat rates for predictable costs, per-user or per-device pricing that scales with growth, tiered pricing with predefined service levels that may have coverage gaps, and customized models that ensure you pay only for what you need. Understanding your IT needs is crucial before committing. A managed IT ROI calculator can help compare current IT costs to potential savings. Managed services reduce emergency repairs, downtime, and labor costs, resulting in a stronger return on investment. For example, a company losing $25,000 per month to downtime could cut that loss by 80% with managed IT services, saving $240,000 annually. That's the power of proactive IT support. Understanding pricing models is just the first step. Consider hidden fees, service level agreements, and scalability when choosing the right provider. Find the full breakdown on our website. Check it out now and add this to your playlist.